Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this quick Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to add a sign or symbol of dollar in a word table the right way. Whether you are creating financial reports, invoices, budgets, or data tables, and this method helps you display currency neatly and professionally. No more messy numbers. Let's make your table look and clean aligned. So let's get started. We can see here assignment. Now I want to add the dollar symbol to my table, and here the table is name of Kamal and father name is Jamshed and amount is $50, but we don't add the dollar. Now I am adding the dollar. Click before the text, go to the insert menu and click the symbol option, go to the more symbol, then here the dollar symbol you can find it. Here the dollar sign, click insert, then click close, then we can see we insert it. Now I want to add another, copy the dollar symbol and paste it another, copy, press Ctrl C and paste it Ctrl V. Now we can see we add the dollar symbol to table is very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.